Okay, so I had to go get some gloves because when I put the pipe on, I really hate having this on my bed, but when I put the pipe on and started turning it, I couldn't get a good grip. So that's how it goes on. And obviously, when you crank it down, as you rotate it. You do a couple rotations, then crank it down, and then sooner or later, you'll make it all the way through the pipe. Okay, so I made it through the pipe. Actually, when I cut it through, I usually like to try to grab it, but it dropped. But it's cool. See, nice smooth cut, perfect size. See, fits perfectly. Can't really. There. Yeah, I'm cool with that. Cool with that. It can be a little over, whatever. I'm cool with it. All right, so let's decide on how we're gonna do these hooks, and I'll be back.